Windsor, Connecticut is the first English settlement in the state, dating back to 1637. If you were hungry back in 1637, you might have had to hunt or forage for food and drink. But in the 21st century, all you need to do is drive to downtown Windsor and visit Union Street Tavern.
We're gonna start with dessert today. We're gonna make you our famous bananas Foster. Okay, first we're gonna start with our butter. We're gonna melt that down. Add our candied walnuts, bananas, add our brown sugar next. We're gonna let that caramelize up real nice. Our extra special ingredient here. Woo! Gonna flambe that up.
Rum, rum, rum.
We're going to take all this fatty goodness right here and we're going to pour it all over this wonderful ice cream, just like so. And we're going to just kind of dust a little cinnamon there, and voila, our famous Tavern Bananas Foster.
And I just happened to foster a spoon here. Oh, Jim, you've made my day. Caramel and candied walnuts. One of my favorite desserts on the planet. So I better have some more. Yeah. Oh!
Good food, nice friendly people. It's convenient, it's nice and quiet.
We love coming here. We like the staff here. We like the bar. We like the atmosphere.
Thank you for talking with us today, Jim.
My pleasure.
What is your position here?
I'm the general manager.
So tell us about the history and other unique aspects of Union Street.
Well, the building is, again, from the mid-1800s. A lot of history here as far as it used to be old firehouse. Some of the history we have on the walls here is the history of Windsor. The gentleman that started the Windsor Police Department, some of his old equipment that he used to use, some of the original members of the Windsor Police Department, and some of the old maps of Windsor behind me on pictures as well. But the building has a lot of history. It's just an old feel. It's been a Windsor staple forever.
And what new changes are happening here?
Some of the dishes we're going to bring back, again, have that old tavern feel to them. Some of them, there are going to be some new and exciting dishes we haven't done here yet. We have, of course, St. Patrick's Day coming up in March, so we have our shepherd's pie and our, of course, corned beef and cabbage. We've got some good Irish beer specials going on, and should be exciting.
And then in the summertime, what happens?
So in the summer we have a patio. We open up the patio doors. We'll have some music out there, some different drink specials, maybe do with some Sunday grill outs on the patio and things like that. So Sunday's a good day for the summer, and it's fun.
How would you describe Union Street Tavern to someone who's never been here before?
It's an inviting place to kind of feel the history of the town. It's very family friendly. Our menu has things for everybody in the family on it.
And what about the variety of these dishes here? Tell us about these.
Okay, well, we'll start with our Tavern burger. It's a special Tavern sauce that we put on there. Bacon, cheese, lettuce, tomato, onion. It's one of our most popular dishes. We have the salmon. So we have a seared salmon, comes with the fried Brussels sprouts and a Parmesan risotto. This is our chicken and waffles. So a very popular dish here, one of my favorites. And this is off our new menu. This is our Firehouse Pasta. It has chicken, shrimp, sausage, some spice to it, and it's over a bed of penne pasta. So this is our Fitzgerald Old Fashioned. It's one of the drinks off our new signature menu. And this is a Firehouse Margarita, which is a little bit spicy and got a little smokiness to it.
It's been a pleasure talking with you today, Jim. Thank you again for your time.
Thank you.
Union Street Tavern, bringing a stylish mix of old and new together in a classic eatery. And that's my perspective. Hey, New England, what's your perspective? Union Street Tavern in Windsor.